one thing, like I said, you change your behavior around something like a pattern, and that stresses the system, you know? Like they talk about the stress test for the banks. I don't know if you, anyway, in this country, the stress test for the banks. You stress the system on purpose to see. And so, like, say you want people to like you, and so you're always joking and, you know, being a certain way so that, because that's what you think they should like you. See, not that you do that, he used to do that. See, because everybody has to like you. Now, if everybody has to like you, if that's an important thing for you, there you got something going on. See, something going on. You think something about yourself. There's an assumption about yourself that this is going to remedy. See, I have to get them to like me so I can remedy this. But the getting them to like you is the remedy part. Now, if you give up the remedy part, that doesn't necessarily give up the disease, so-called, you see, or that doesn't give up what's going on with you. But by giving up the remedy, you'll stress the system, because your brain will say, wait, it's not getting handled, and that helps you. What's not getting handled? See, what's not getting handled? Just shut up, get people to like you, see, I got to get this handled. No, I'm not going to get, oh, they don't like you, you're not doing the things, you're not doing the song and dance, and you know, they get them to like you. Uh-oh, they might not like you. Oh my God, what? You see, and it helps drive you to something deeper.
Hi, I'm Brendan Lee, and I've been studying with Peter Ralston for 20 years. I really want you to know that no matter how many videos you watch or books you read, it pales in comparison to the power of the live workshops that we host here at the center or on Zoom. If you want to get serious and do work that makes a real difference, please check the links in the description to learn more. Thank you.